Hello guys, let's talk today about these cable organizers. I got them from Amazon. They're pretty easy to use. As you can see, I have a big one and a small one. You just need to remove the sticker here. So just peel it and put it in place and they stick in place. Okay, just like this. Then you run your cables. So you can keep everything organized. Let me just test here so you can see with different cables. This one, for example, is a UTP cable, okay, a network cable. I can just put it here and I just push a little bit and I can put it in place and it stays. See it? So it's good enough to hold different types of cable. And I can just slide them here and it works pretty fine. Okay, let me just try another type here. Let's say I have a HDMI cable. So here we go, my HDMI cable. Let's just push it here like this. And it works as well. It holds the cable in place. It's pretty good. As you can see, I have extra space for more cables. Let me try another one. Here we go. Different type of cable for power supply. Just stick it here and it works pretty fine. Okay, so then I can put on my desk, stick it there, and then I can do this movement with my cable, connect to whatever I want to connect to. Then I can pull it back like this. Okay, so I got them from Amazon. I've been using for a while. I like it and I recommend them.